Good afternoon. Well, we're continuing to keep our eye on those rain showers as they move across our area. Now, right now, they are just that, rain showers. You can actually see kind of a diagonal line here stretching through Lafayette, going through Delphi, Logansport as well. We are seeing these light showers for now, but the potential of heavier rain does move into our area. Take a look. You can actually see down to the south, the southern portion of that diagonal line I was just talking about actually has quite a few lightning strikes embedded within it. Between this system and one that's just off to our northwest, you can see here over 150 lightning strikes in just the past hour, and that's actually calmed down from what we saw early this morning. We are seeing systems producing up to 500 lightning strikes in an hour, quite a lot. Now here's what our severe weather potential looks like. Overall, it looks like we have a pretty slight risk for the day. Now that's more than what we've had in quite some time though. You can see here a slight risk, and that covers all of our counties. Just a little bit further north into Indiana, it does become a bit less than that as they're seeing just a risk for some severe thunderstorms. Then as we take a look and break that down, our big potential is hail here. You can see a 15% chance of hail. We are all covered with that as well. Then we break it down to the wind, and you actually see that Lafayette's at a 15% chance of that, but when we go a little bit further to the south, you're going to notice Indianapolis has a bit higher of a risk, and so do some of our southern counties. Something to keep in mind, again, that the further south you get, the windier it's going to be. And then there's, of course, that tornado type. That's a 5% risk. And what that means is if you're standing at one point and turn in a circle, there's about a 5% chance you could see a tornado. Obviously not very high. We don't have a huge chance of the tornadoes. I'm really expecting this to be more of a wind and hail event across our area. But again, right now, nothing like that. We have to worry about that. So for right now, take a look at how this all moves into our area, and of course we have quite a lot of cloud cover. That's actually helping us out because we're not going to be able to really warm up quite as much, and the warmer air does create more unstable air, which is a little bit more of a risk there as far as the severe weather goes. Right now your temperature is 66 degrees. That has calmed down. The winds from the southeast at 6 miles an hour as well. For today, we're expecting your high at 73 degrees. We've actually already hit that. It hit about midnight tonight. As we go in, you can see rain and thunderstorms expected and otherwise steady temperatures. Now that that temperature has fallen, I don't think it's going to really fall too much more until we see that rain. Tonight, we're going to drop all the way down to 41 degrees with some more rain and thunderstorms continuing, much cooler conditions. Tomorrow, your high is only 49 degrees. We are expecting to see some of those early rain showers continue, kind of the lingering rain though. As we take a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, you'll notice that we are expecting to see some more sunshine on Thursday once this cloud cover moves out. Friday, it looks like that's actually going to be an average day for April. We haven't seen one recently. 55 for your high, more sunshine, and heading into the weekend, we'll warm up even more. But we still have a lot to get through. It hasn't even begun yet.
I know, it's like we've been anticipating this all morning, but it's not even here yet. Those clouds, they're hanging over.
Absolutely. It kind of looks ominous outside.
That's right.
And this has been an event we've expected more during the afternoon anyway. So we're not out of the woods quite yet. Just make sure you pay attention to the weather.
Okay, sounds good.